Hello everyone, welcome to our non-hua drumming session. Today we are going to play part 2 water sleeves drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's increase the tempo to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of part 2 water sleeves drum. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.